at Starbucks. This is my pre-flight meal today because I went to the gym and I have no time to get lunch. Nothing like a post-gym jelly donut. All right, so Haneda Airport, and this time I repeat, zero requirements that I have to have my vaccine or whatever. All I did was, this is just like flying pre-COVID now at this point. Also includes no masks. The airport is surprisingly empty. Like, the train wasn't so crowded, or maybe I'm just because I'm early, I don't know. I got here a little early because I wanted to make sure I can make sure everything's taken care of, but yeah. Here I am just squatting on an escalator. I hope my parents are going to be noticing something. My face feels like it's a lot smaller. There's our flight right here. Off to DTW, where we're going. T3INJ, so over there. Oh, it is the Delta signs. Today's itinerary is Delta 275 to Detroit, or 276 rather to Detroit, and then a couple hour layover there, and then Detroit to Cincinnati. I should be back in the Natty by like 5 or 6 p.m. tonight. So where do I drop off my bag? They have these weird, like, self-use bag tag things or whatever. I mean, that was confusing. I didn't know what was going on. The lady was like, oh yeah, they're getting rid of all of us, so you gotta learn how to do it yourself. I'm like, God dang it. You end up with more paper than you usually do. I have no idea what this new thing is that they just opened up. It's called the Haneda Airport Garden. They have a spa in here apparently and a lot of food. If I got here earlier, I might grab some lunch here, but I have no idea what this is. I mean, there's the hotel right there. That hotel's always been there. Out the window there. Like, what am I even looking at? I guess you could do weddings here or something. A bunch of really traditional looking shops. So I guess this is just a tourist trap. That's basically all this thing is. You can buy some nice umbrellas from Fukui, I guess. This is basically just a tourist trap. If they have Yatsuhashi here, I'll buy some, but otherwise I'm just gonna get back to the airport. Over here is like a mall, but they got some decent restaurants over here, it looks like. Got some tonkatsu, but yeah, there's a character park. Yeah. They got Yabaton, Mr. Yabaton. What is this? Like a character? I don't even know what this is. Besides, I know what that is. I was just saying if they were smart, they'd have anime. Well, My Hero Academia. They have popular anime, I guess you could say, the safe anime. And then this is my favorite anime, of course, Super Mario. That's what she said. Never mind, it's Kirby. It's good to see this area reopened again. That was depressing when all this was closed down. That took forever, mostly because like there was a long wait for people, but I think it was all military people that were leaving. Yeah, this place is popping, man. There's people here again. I mean, I flew during Thanksgiving, so why am I surprised? But it's more crowded now than it was when I was flying during Thanksgiving. So I'm at the very end of the row here in 142. This is, again, Haneda Airport, where I have to grab a thing from the duty-free because they have no konbini inside of here. All right, everybody, welcome to Books and Drugs, and the line's way too long. God damn it. The great wave of Coca-Cola. I'm about to put this in my checked luggage when I get back to Detroit because probably can't bring this to security, but oh well. My flight is all the way over here at the end of this row. And I'm walking pretty quickly. Okay, that wasn't actually that long of a wait to board. I wonder if my flight's empty today. HND A350. I had to like force this window open because it was stuck. I almost broke it.
Eight exits on this plane. 8 doors, 4 on each side. Each door has a detachable side that can be used as a raft.
Alright, we're number 1 for takeoff here. On 16 left. It is a very rainy departure. Jiggling this whole flight. Captain said ATC, Japanese ATC is, oh yeah, this is fine. Once again, Japanese ATC don't know anything anymore. Now we were at 35 and we're going down to 33 it looks like. And yeah, it is significantly smoother down here. A little bit lower of a tailwind. Alright, here, finally we got lunch. It's cold. So I got some chicken. Some fancy bamboo cutlery. So, some chicken and rice. Alright. Well, this isn't working. Hi. Yeah. Other than the sink not working, lavatory's alright. The food was disgusting. That was really bad. You gonna work now? No, you're not. Alright. About halfway there, and we got this. Not bad. Well, this is breakfast. Not that hungry. About an hour away, 41,000 feet. Nice tailwind.
35 minutes. Our arrival date is going to be 8:24. Today is now but 24.
All right, start
Weather
on
there,
the
72 degrees. Very cloudy skies.
Nice day.
We have the seatbelt sign on at this time, so we do request that you stay seated now for the duration of the flight with your seatbelt securely fastened around you. Thank you very much once again for flying with us. We do appreciate your business. Hope you have a great afternoon.
I love it. As soon as we start descending, everyone just starts lining up for the John and getting out of 39,000 feet. You can feel the plane immediately start descending. Free Toblerone, okay. And we're descending pretty quickly. 25,000 now. It's like we're skating on top of, oh, there we go. As soon as you hit the clouds, it gets a little bit bumpy. We are 15,500 feet. That's the cloud tops. You know, the best part about this is we're landing early too, so well, that's either good or bad. Last time I landed really early once, and every other European flight landing at Minneapolis at that time was early, and it was super crowded. Well, it's a lovely day in Detroit. I don't think that phrase has ever been uttered in recent history, but you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Detroit, where the local time is 2:15.
Took us a while to start moving off the plane for whatever reason. That was an alright flight. Food wasn't good. And also for whatever reason the plug didn't work.
Where'd you find them? I saw you.
They were
had them
just
on.
they were under my bag or
Okay.
something. Yeah, one of the other guys in my room found them.
I saw you had them on.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
I lost my glasses at some point, and the guy in my row found them for me. So, yeah, this long-ass corridor is where my cardio from recently comes into really, really good effect here, because I don't want to be waiting in a long line again. Okay, customs going back to America got quick. Like, I just answered the guy's questions. He looked at my face, took a picture of me, and then immediately I got my bag. America's taking playbook notes from Japan. I like it for once. The promised land. I had to use a kiosk. $15 an hour. Hey, got me a biscuit too. Good chicken biscuit. Man, I wish I had a longer layover because there's a Chili's right there. Like, for me, the ideal layover was like 2 hours and 30 minutes, right? Because, you know, you gotta expect about 45 minutes for customs, even though this time it was like less than 30. You know, I wanna grab a beer, I wanna get some food, get a nice dinner, relax, call people. At least I had time for Popeyes.
Pull a mat toward you until the tube is fully extended.
So we got CRJ, and you can't see it from here, but there's what looks to be a Raytheon private jet. There he is. How fast can they launch these guys? he's already moving onto the runway as soon as that guy just took off. Alright, so that guy just rotated. How quickly until the private jet rotates? Private jet's moving now. And now we're going in behind him. And we're gonna be quick here too, aren't we? Yep, there he goes. He barely used any of the runway. 2-1 right. And Air Canada right behind us. And American Eagle.
pleasure to welcome you to Cincinnati, where the local time is 5:04 p.m.
All right, back in the nasty natty. I'm actually in good spirits today. I don't seem so tired right now. My legs are numb. That's about it.